You can talk to me, or I'm going to put you in handcuffs. And
You touch me,
I'm
and you
going
be
to have
getting
a problem
sued.
with you. Do you understand that? Yes. Hey! Hands behind your back.
Son of a...
June 12th, 2024. Superior, Wisconsin. A truck, $100, a signed title, and 3 days to the DMV. The issue here isn't whether money changed hands. It's whether that signature was ever hers to put on that paper. Under Miranda versus Arizona, you're in custody the moment a reasonable person wouldn't feel free to walk away, at 15:23. Lawson tells Freeman flat out, not free to leave. That's custody. And what Freeman says next is the whole ball game.
You're Jake? What's going on here?
So she sold the truck to me
Okay.
the day before she went to jail.
Okay.
Okay, for $100. She was supposed to go empty out her truck,
Okay.
and she was going to bring it back to me. She never showed back up. The following day, she went to jail, and then the day after that is when I found where the vehicle was. So I went and got the vehicle, and now she's here trying to.
Do you have any paperwork associated?
Yeah, I got it's
The
registered.
signed title? Is it registered to you?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
What's your name?
Jake Freeman.
Freeman. Did you run that plate, Austin? Perfect. All right.
Run the plate, run the VIN. Yeah.
It all registers to you?
Yes.
Okay.
It's 100% legit.
What was the guy that I just...
I don't know.
What's his deal?
I don't know. He just freaked
Was he
out.
yelling at you and
Yeah,
stuff?
he was trying to get in my face because I was telling him that ain't your truck.
Because they were pulling it out of here?
Yeah, they were trying to pull it out of here when I pulled up.
Okay.
And you know, I don't care what she says at this point. Like she knows what she
If
did.
it's registered to you,
Yes,
and if the
100%.
VIN is yours, then
Yes.
it's your truck.
Yes.
I have no issue with that.
And
You
I
took
need
a title.
and
You
I-
took a signed title.
Yes, she signed it the night before she went to jail.
Okay.
And whatever, she was supposed to bring it back. She never brought it back. I went and she went to jail. Then I went and found the truck and I took it like I should have.
Because you have a signed title
I
and
have
you
a
paid
signed
for
title.
it.
Yep.
Okay.
And she has a key for it. I'd like to get the key. She does have a key that she went to jail with. I'd like to get that if I could.
I can't make her give you property.
Okay.
At this point, if the truck registers to you, the truck can stay here.
Yep.
But beyond that,
Yeah.
I don't have much control over it. So he was getting into your... What is his name? Do you know
I don't
him?
even know who they are. I don't know who him is, who that is. I don't know who they are. I have no clue. I just know who she is.
9 of 25 is negative.
He put his name then, and it's not his truck. Swear to God.
I don't know what to tell you, because for him to put it in his name, he would need to go to the DMV.
The title?
He would have to have a
No,
title.
No.
Yep.
No, I didn't.
Stop. You didn't say you did.
I'm going to
Stop.
tell you.
I'm telling you. Stop.
I know, but I'm telling you, I talked to Severson yesterday in court, and
That's-
he said that the title was in the truck, and he's aware of that, and it was on sign. When they arrested me, they went through this whole truck, and it was in my backpack, and they stole my title, and I reported that stolen as well.
55 suspicious circumstances and just leave it open. I have some information to add to the card.
Similar.
Sit tight for a second. Sit tight for a second. Can I help you guys? I'm sorry?
I'm Clarence, I'm the director of housing here.
Okay.
So I was just wondering what was going on.
So we got a call that she's trying to take this truck from him, but he stole the truck, and then while we were en route, our dispatch advised us that it looked like they were about to fight, and so then we get on scene. He's not listening, she's not listening, this older gentleman's not listening, starts picking up a tow strap, which has a metal end at the end of it, and he's not listening. He's got a knife on him, so he goes in handcuffs.
Okay.
So we're still trying to kind of figure it out. It sounds like it's a mess of who he said, she said, car stuff. So
Okay.
yeah, if you want to stand by, you're more than welcome to.
Okay.
If you don't mind, just don't talk to any parties involved.
Oh, no,
right now.
that's why.
Perfect. Thank you. Can I help you? Who? Okay. Well, are you involved in this incident? Okay, so why don't you just stand up on the sidewalk for me until we investigate this a little bit further, okay?
Union Charles 8795 Union.
I'll in there to see if I can get my property when I get my phone, the time I can get it.
My obvious suggestion that would solve all this is if you guys had some sort of documentation showing that.
Well, she signed the title the day before she went to jail.
Do you have a copy of the title?
No, I got my title. They take.
Yeah, I know. You don't have a copy or a picture or anything like that of that one?
No.
Okay. Is it the sewer? Good lord, that smells
What
like
is in that vehicle that stinks so bad?
I don't know.
The thing is,
Well, I would take a look in there because it smells like something's dead.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. It smells like a dead. Gross.
I mean, it smells like a dead animal in there.
I don't know. I haven't really driven it that much.
You didn't take a dump in there or anything, did you?
No, I don't know what they did. I don't know.
Does it drive?
Yeah. Barely.
Okay. Well, there's so much is out of it right now.
Yeah, well, because they were trying to hotwire it, obviously. They broke it.
Anything active, larking slow. What do we got going on here, bud?
I got a call from my girlfriend to come pick up that,
Go shut the truck off for
we
me.
found the truck.
Go ahead and shut the truck off for me.
truck
Go ahead and
got
shut the
stolen
truck
from
off
me.
for me so I can hear you. So that's your truck?
This?
Registers to you?
That registers to her.
Okay, just hang tight for me,
Yeah.
okay? I'll talk to you. What's going on here? Hey,
What?
why don't you talk to me? What's going on here? Why
Why
did I
should
get
I talk
why did
to
I get
you?
a call for a fight?
I don't know. I just said he's been a little bit.
No, you can talk to me.
I don't
You
have
can talk to me, or I'm going to
anybody.
put you in handcuffs, and
You
I'm going,
touch me,
I'm
and you'll
going
be
to have
getting
a problem
sued.
with you. Do you
yeah?
understand that? Yes. Hands behind your back.
Son of a.
Well, that's what happens when you don't listen. So maybe as a grown adult, you'll start to listen. Does that sound like a good idea? Does that sound like a good
I
idea?
don't know.
It is a good idea. So what you're gonna do now is take a seat right here on the
Yeah,
trailer.
maybe.
Yeah.
Let's double lock these.
Maybe go
I
get
can't get
the
in.
supervisor and you'll see how good it is.
I still can't get in there. I got him.
Perfect. Any weapons on you? You got a knife right here? Oh, you
Leave
can
me
stay out of
fucking
that.
shit.
You can go in a
Just stay
car.
the out of me.
You can go in a car.
Just get the away from me. Fuck. Rick.
Face right here.
Give me my supervisor.
Face right here. You can speak with the supervisor. Stop moving around. Face the squad. Spread your feet.
For what?
Because right now
What
you're
the hell?
disorderly.
Ouch!
Spread your
I
feet
got
out.
back.
Well,
Bravo,
you
get
should be
son of a-
listening so that you don't get.
I got a
injured in
knife
this,
off of
okay?
him,
Yeah.
but aside from that, I haven't found anything else. Okay.
Get the shit hands off of me.
Good.
Take it down a second, man.
What the hell are you looking for?
Making sure you don't have anything in your waistband.
Jesus Christ.
Just chill out.
Relax.
Okay? Just chill out for a second, alright? Taking it off because there's a hook on it, alright? That's it. Just take a deep breath, man. Okay? What's your first name?
Where I told you to stand.
What's your first name, boss?
Bob.
Bob. Okay, just take a second. Bob, alright? You want him to go in there?
Yeah, let's set him in there just for now. That one?
Whatever one you want.
That one.
Is he searched?
Yes, it played with
Yes.
my pockets.
And you got the waistband there.
Got it.
Have a seat there. Watch your head.
Oh.
So,
All right, just sit tight for a second, all right?
She really sold the vehicle to me, man. Like, I didn't steal nothing. She sold it to me the night before she went to jail. But I don't know why she's acting like this. I don't know. I don't know. But all I know is I had a signed title the day before she went to jail. When I found the truck, I went and got it registered after I found it out in Subway, but, you know, because she got arrested. She was supposed to bring, what she was supposed to do was bring me the truck after.
Okay, let's start over. So,
Okay, so I
nope,
bought-
nope. I'm gonna ask the questions. You're gonna answer the questions. When did you allegedly buy this vehicle from
It
Jenny?
would have been the day before she went to jail. The night, it
Which
the
was
night-
what
it
day?
It was, I don't know, Wednesday-ish, Thursday-ish, I want to say. I don't.
How did that business go down?
We seen each other on this, like over by Topper's Pizza, and we were talking about the truck, and she wanted to get rid of it. It's got some problems. It's got electrical issues.
So you just happened to come across Jenny Little the day. Just let me ask the question.
Yeah.
You came across Jenny Little just magically at Topper's Pizza. She brings up the truck, and then you bought the truck from her right then and there.
Well, I gave her $100.
You gave her $100 for that.
She gave me the title. Yes, because she was gambling. She said
she gave you the title?
Yes.
Where inside Topper's?
No, not inside of Topper's.
Where did she give you the title?
We were out in the parking lot.
Okay.
Literally, we were outside smoking a cigarette, talking.
Okay, so I can look at the poll camera that we have back there behind third base that covers the parking lot from when we had shootings there. I can look at that and it's going to show her giving you the title?
Sure.
100%. And you understand that that's a lie to me right now if I see that on camera, that
Yes.
never happened.
Yes, it did happen. She gave me the title. I didn't steal no title. I didn't steal the truck.
Okay, so she gives you the title.
Yep.
You give her $100.
She was supposed to, then she was going to take the truck and go empty out her stuff. Okay? Because it was full of her shit. She was going to go empty it, and she was supposed to bring it back to me.
Okay.
And she never came back. That was the night before she went to jail. Into the day that she went to jail, I don't know how to contact her.
So how did you get a key?
I went and made one.
You went and made one? How would you make a key for this?
She gave you the title,
Yes.
and she signed it, and
Yes.
she didn't give you a key though?
Well, no, she only had the one key that she had.
So how'd you go get a key made for this if it was locked?
It wasn't locked.
So how'd you get a key made for it?
I went to the dealership and got a key.
What dealership?
Chevy.
What day did you go there?
I don't know.
No, you do know, because this is a matter of 4 days.
Okay.
Okay, here's the deal. I'm gonna cut it all straight to you.
Why are you yelling?
Because you keep talking over me, and I can't stand when people talk over me when I'm trying to explain something to them. Because then we get nowhere.
You asked me.
And I don't know. I don't have patience for it. And so I'm gonna cut you off.
Okay.
You're straight up lying to me.
No,
You
I'm
stole the
not.
VIN, or you stole the title.
No, I didn't.
Jake, she was in jail for 4 days. How did you get it registered on the 9th?
What do you mean?
It was registered to her. It was registered on the 5th. And now it's registered to you on the 9th.
Okay.
How did you get this vehicle registered to you? And you're going to tell me that you can't remember within a 3-day
What do you
period
mean? I went to
when
the
you went to the
DMV
when you went to the dealership and made a key.
I went to the DMV and registered.
How did you get a key made?
What day
Because
did you
after
get
I
the
went,
title?
the night before she went to jail, when she signed it and gave me the title.
So
and
you're
said,
saying on the 4th of this month you got the title from her and she
I'd
signed
have
it.
to look and see what day it is. I want to say I would have gotten it.
You got it on the 4th because she was arrested on the 5th.
Yeah, that's like I said. It was.
And she signed it.
Yes.
Where's the title?
My title?
Where's the title to the truck?
My title for registered to me. It's up upstairs in my dad's house.
So the DMV has the title with her signature on
I'm
it?
guessing so. I don't know what they do with it. They handed me the title, the one in my, you know what I'm saying, in my name. I don't know what they do.
So when did you acquire possession of the vehicle?
The 2 day, like day or, I think it was the day or the next day after she went to jail. It was like
So
2
the
days.
6th? So the 6th or the 7th?
One or the other.
Where was the vehicle at?
It was at Subway where she got pulled over.
Which Subway?
Out in East End.
Superior is Garcia, valid driver.
Wait, there's people standing here. There's a piece of equipment, like part of a vehicle there.
He is valid, 3 priors, no operation 1.02 on paper.
So anyway,
Making something out of that.
anyway, it was in East End.
I know.
That's where I got it. That's where I got it from.
How did you get inside the vehicle in East End in the Subway parking lot?
It was unlocked.
Okay. So now this is the night of the 6th. The vehicle's unlocked. You get inside the car. And why did you go inside the car?
Wait, the night of the 6th? Wait. What?
You just told me that you went and got the vehicle the night after she got arrested.
It was the day or whatever, the day or the
Okay,
next day.
the next day,
after-
the 6th.
Yes.
The 6th, you went and got the vehicle.
I'd have to look and see. Because I don't.
No,
wanna
I'm
say-
telling you that's what it is. Like, this is not that hard. This is 1 + 1 + 1 is
But here's
3.
the thing is, I don't know what day it exactly was because I don't pay attention to the days.
So when did you go get a key made?
Yeah, I would.
After I
this
got
is
it
not a
registered.
place to be driving around right now, obviously, right? As long as it takes.
What? Okay, so you got it registered on the 9th,
Okay.
right?
Sure. I don't.
That's what the record shows.
Okay.
The record shows that you went to the DMV and got it registered on the 9th.
Okay.
When you went to the DMV, you had the title in hand from her.
Yes. Yes. I'm not lying, dude. Like, you're trying to, like, I don't, the whole timing of things, I'm sorry, I'm bad with it. It's
No, you're not bad with it. You're
Yes,
not bad with it, because I've
Okay.
talked to you for years, and you're not bad with it. I know you're not bad with it.
What do you mean, for years?
I've been working here for 6 years, and I've had contact with you.
When? When I got stabbed?
Oh my God,
I
I'm not
honestly,
going
I don't
over
know.
all this
I'm
crap.
just asking a question, dude. I don't know.
Because you're running me through this game, dude, and it's
I'm
like
not
it's like.
trying to run you through no game. Honestly, I'm not.
So what dealership did you go to?
Chevy, Northland Chevrolet.
In Superior.
Yes.
And what do they require for you to get a key made?
An ID, a copy of the title, and that's pretty much it. That's it.
Okay, so then they look at your ID, they look at the title,
and then they
match the
they match-
title,
Yep.
and they say, yep,
There you
you
go.
can cut your key.
Yep. Yep. That's what they did. I had no other choice. She was in jail. I don't know what, honest to God, I don't know what else you want me to say. It's what happened, dude. I'm not gonna sit and say anything different. It's what it was. Sorry.
Sit tight. You're not free to leave.
You know what I'm saying? Like, our mental health is, that plays a big role in it. Like, that's a big part of my
Drugs
problem.
isn't helping it, right?
I don't know why you giving me that stare though.
Because you were lying.
No, I'm not though.
You are.
I'm not though.
I just confirmed that you're lying to
How
me.
can you confirm something that's not?
By signature analysis.
Okay, I signed the signature.
Yep.
I signed my signature.
Yep.
That's all I signed. Yes, I did. Yes, I
She
did.
needs to sign the signature.
Huh?
She needs her signature on
She
there.
signed the signature. Yes, she
That's
did.
not her signature.
Okay, well, that's her signature. She signed it.
The other conflicting part that you have here is that you say the vehicle was unlocked, and the deputy that night noted in his report that he locked the vehicle. So
Okay,
the
well,
vehicle
when
was not.
when
no.
I got
Because she had one key that went with her to the jail.
When I got it, when I got to it, it was unlocked.
No.
Yes, it was. It was. Somebody else might have been in it before me. I don't know.
No.
I'm telling you, that's what happened. I literally walked up and opened up the door. I'm not lying to you, dude. Honestly, I'm not.
You just magically came across it at Subway.
I was driving to Itasca Trailer Park, and I drove past it, and I said, "Holy f***, there it is." That's it.
You're lying.
No, I'm not. Why do you think I'm lying? I go out to Itasca all the time. I literally was driving down the road, driving out to Itasca. I drove past Subway. I seen the truck.
Because she didn't sell the vehicle to you for $100.
Yes, she did. I'm telling you, that's what she did. She was gambling.
I was
whatever.
just on the phone with her.
I don't care what she says.
I do, because she was the owner of the truck.
Okay, but
and you
lying
committed
to-
fraud.
No, I
You
didn't.
committed fraud by stealing the
didn't.
title,
No, I didn't
going to the
steal-
DMV
I
with the
didn't steal
title
no
and your
title.
ID.
I did not
You went and
steal
got
no
the
title.
you went and got the key made,
I
and then
didn't
you went to the
no,
DMV and you
I
got it
didn't.
registered in your name.
I did not steal no title.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Okay.
I
So
didn't.
the cameras at Subway would show you not unlocking the door.
I did not unlock the door. I did not unlock the door. I swear to God. Go there and look. I did not unlock it. It was unlocked when I got to it. Swear to God. I'm not bullshitting you. And I did not steal the title. I didn't.
She just gave it to you at Toppers.
She gave it to me out back of Toppers, yes.
For how much?
$100. Handed me the title, said she was going to go clear the...
Still, no Miranda warning gets read. If a court rules Freeman was in custody at that point, everything he says after it could get tossed, including what comes next. At 16:02, he says, quote, "I signed the signature," end quote. He tries to walk it back. Camera already got it. Under Wisconsin Statute 943.38, forgery is signing someone else's name on a document to defraud them. Freeman's the buyer. He just said he signed in the seller's field. While that slip alone doesn't close it, the deputy who arrested Little locked that truck. Freeman says it was unlocked when he got there. Somebody's not telling the truth. 3 things can actually break this open: the pole camera behind third base bar, key records from Northland Chevrolet, and a handwriting comparison against Little's jail release signature. None of those got checked before charges went out.
Can I quickly take this call?
In my car, are you able to
Hello?
run my plates or my insurance?
Terry said to call him, and then you can bring my bag with him or whatever too. He's right in town. You have his number?
Oh.
Okay, I'll text you. Right now.
So it was a traffic stop on the 5th, and you were arrested.
Mm-hmm.
And when did you get out of jail?
Tuesday.
Which would have been?
Right before supper. 4:10.
Okay, so you were out on 9/10, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
Today's Thursday,
Yeah,
and you were out on 10.
Yeah.
Okay. On the 9th, the title was turned into the DMV and registered to Jake Freeman, and you were in jail. So are you saying?
In the truck.
Are you saying that you never?
Never. I never. They sent me a text. I brought it here to your guys with a copy of it. I don't know who got it. I said leave this with fingers. Tell them it's from Jenny Little.
The title?
No, some messages that
Oh.
Ashley sent me
Oh.
saying I sold her the truck for $100.
When did those start coming?
I've been in jail. My boss billed me out $3,000. Okay.
No, but when did the messages start coming to you from Ashley about
They
you?
didn't come to me. They
Oh.
went through Simo and then through Pa, that old man that walked up on us. I don't know. Were you there? Yes.
No, I was not there.
Okay, the guy that was there, my Pa walked up and Britton just got arrested, for being mouthy. And that's their job. And I said, Pa, don't get mouthy, Britton's already arrested. And then he shut up, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And I'm just like, they're trying to deal with the situation. They don't need people walking up and
Yeah.
a little bit, you know what I mean?
Yeah, hold on, let me...
Say
7:3 to
anything about
25.
anything that's not concerning them.
Yeah, 7-3. I'm talking to Jenny right now in the lobby. Do you want me to get a phone number and then you can call her?
I don't think her phone works unless she has Wi-Fi, but I'm there right
Is
now.
that fingers?
No, it's a different officer.
Oh, I just text fingered. I have Bob's phone right now. The one that got arrested. They
That
might call me on that phone. My phone's getting picked up in property right now.
Oh, okay.
Yep, because they couldn't do it till today.
Oh,
And
okay.
he tried to bring it to me at the jail, and he said that I was already gone.
Yep. So you,
But I was there 6 days.
you under oath to a police officer right now, you swear to God, you never signed that title
I
and
never
sold it
signed
to
that
Jake?
title, and when it was in the truck, it was not signed. I mean, it was in my backpack because I kept it in my possession all the time
in that
because of what I deal with for
for
getting
Phoenix
my
Village,
truck
not
the
a
first
low
time
clearance
back
lot,
from
is
work, you know. So that's why I kept it on my.
The low clearance, is it a low clearance spot?
Oh, yeah, sure can.
That's why I always kept it in my possession. So it's in my backpack unsigned.
Oh,
And
okay.
so is mine, Ben Pembroke,
I
the
just, I don't know
passenger.
orders that
His
kind
car
of
title's
thing.
in my backpack
But after
unsigned.
uniform, do a lot of
Okay.
LE stuff, and so I thought,
Okay.
I'll just drop off at my.
I would never sign it, and when I was selling it that day,
Perfect.
the
Okay,
day
I'm
of
gonna
it,
give
if I
this
ever
to
sold
our
a vehicle,
admin and
I would
we'll be in
sign
touch,
it that
okay?
day
Who's that?
and fill out
Nikki
all the
Callahan.
information.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, I
You're
appreciate it.
welcome.
That's the only
Yep.
way I've ever sold vehicles.
Call us, I'll be
At
right
the
back.
DMV with that person.
Okay.
Yes.
Hi.
Because
Okay, well, Officer Lordson's gonna have some questions for you, because he's looking into the whole matter. Is that okay?
that's fine.
Do you mind if we go in here where it's quieter?
I'm waiting for my property, and if I miss her again, I'm gonna miss. She's already tried.
Oh,
to
I'll make sure she doesn't miss you.
Let's step outside here, okay?
Are you
She
getting
said,
the phone from
I went
her?
to the bathroom. I don't even know. I went
Okay.
to the bathroom and I walked
We're
around.
sitting right here. Did you see Jake Freeman at Topper's Pizza the night before you got arrested?
No, I haven't even been to Topper's Pizza and not inside at all.
Okay,
And
were you,
at
were,
least-
were you in the back parking lot of Topper's Pizza in third base bar?
No.
So
I've never been to the bars.
Jake is telling me that he met up with you the night before you got arrested, which would have been the 4th of September. Could you answer that for me? Right? Because you got arrested on the 5th.
Yes.
Sorry. And he's telling me that you ran into each other at Topper's Pizza, you brought up wanting to sell a truck because it's got issues, he gave you $100, you gave him the title, and then left and said, I need to go clean the stuff out of my truck and I'll be back in a little bit. And then you leave, you never come back, but you
Kelsey
gave
was
him...
saying the title was in the truck. He knows it and told me that. Yesterday in court, in preliminary hearing, he knows the title was in my truck when he arrested me because they did a whole search in my truck. Call Severson and ask him. And they went and stole it from Subway. And Ernie Flood, I'm telling you, I go up there and
Okay,
grab
I want to
him.
hear more, but I want to hear more in a second, okay?
I'm sorry.
Alright, you're right.
I only have what I But it's told yesterday in preliminary hearing in Irving.
It's a very confusing matter
No,
because
I'm
it's
sorry.
not, hold on, it's
I just
it's
don't
not,
want him to get away
just
with
hold
my
on, it's not common that somebody can actually obtain a title, forge a signature and get away with it without something being off, so I'm,
Well, I'll
just give me a
give you my
second.
signature.
The truck is being, we're gonna take possession of the truck.
I'll give you my signatures. Right now I have one signature and I'll give you my signature.
Well,
never
I think what we
changed.
would end up doing is comparing it to.
To a jail release. Go look at that.
Well,
You know,
that works, yeah,
That's
I
a good
mean,
way to do it, or my court
Or
appearance.
the title that got it into your name in the first
Yes.
place, right?
You know what I'm saying?
Any documents from the DMV, there would have been
Well,
a,
they had my backpack in there.
in the truck.
Mhm,
And the title was in the
I don't know what
backpack.
kind of paper, I don't remember what.
So where
Like,
was
I
the
have coloring
title?
stuff in there, I don't.
Where was
think
the title in the truck? In your
In my
backpack?
gray backpack that I did not give back, and they threw out a bin and behind toppers, and I wouldn't go get it, but that guy in the green truck, Pops, went and got it, and then half the shit, not even, I wouldn't even say it, fifth of the shit was in that bin that was there. It's full of, $400 receivers that I had in the back of there, you know, them aluminum tube ones, they stole 2 of them from me.
Who did?
Jake Freeman,
Oh.
because they threw a bin out behind toppers, and and that old man Pete Golov went in there and walked in there, and he said they don't work here.
Okay.
And he said, they just sent the text messages, which there's copies. I dropped off here yesterday with that lady, the lady that's working the desk today was working yesterday. Gave her copies of text messages that went through Ashley Sosick's messenger, Jake Freeman's girlfriend. I never.
Well, while we
I
figure
never
this out.
sold my truck to anybody. I just bought it. Why would I be selling it?
Well,
Why would I be?
don't worry about it going away because we're towing the truck.
Why
and
would I be selling it if I just bought the?
Well, right, yeah, it doesn't make much sense. We are gonna.
No one knows me and knows I'm not selling that truck, and they all are out to support me right now.
We're gonna hold on to it in one of our buildings.
That's fine. I'd
so that
rather
it
you
doesn't.
guys have it than him have it because
Right.
he's already did a auto reset on the key.
I use the elevator all day.
Do you have was the key?
I have my key.
Yeah.
I was gonna go because the Northland Chevrolet, because Will comes with my key, I had to go get one made. They have a copy of my title, my picture ID, and my registration, all there when they gave me my key. Just in, what was it, May?
So they kept a copy of all of
Oh
that?
yeah, they right, they do it. They do that shit, you know, and I was like, good, I'm glad you do.
Yeah.
Because,
Good
yeah,
to
I
see
just
it.
didn't go to that
Yeah.
Chevrolet dealership right here on Belknap.
Uh-huh.
And I don't know what DMV they went to, I don't know.
You don't open the door for the deputies, you throw the keys in there, the vehicle's locked. For
I
them
didn't
to-
throw the
just
keys
hold
in
on,
there.
just, don't do what you did when we were on scene
I didn't
back
throw
there.
the keys
Just
in
let
there.
me talk.
The keys
Okay.
were in my possession at the jail.
Can you let me talk, please?
Yes,
I'm not gonna keep doing this.
yes.
You told the deputies the vehicle was locked. They unlock it with a crowbar to do their total auto inventory and their search. And then they relock the vehicle, the window is down 6 inches, okay? Did you ever give consent to any person to take your vehicle?
No.
If we can
If
identify the
I
suspect
would've, I
that,
would've released the
Hold on,
key.
hold
I'm
on,
sorry,
hold on.
go ahead.
if we can identify the suspect that took your vehicle, do you want to pursue charges?
Of course I do.
Okay, if that suspect is in fact Jake Freeman, do you want to pursue charges?
Of course I do. I don't even
So
associate
you
with him.
deny ever giving him $100?
I never gave him anything. He
You
never
deny
gave me
deny
anything.
giving him the
He-
title.
No, I never gave him anything. The title was in the truck in my gray backpack.
Okay, well, I just talked to Deputy Severson, and he said that they searched the vehicle really well, and they searched that backpack, and he
It
didn't
was
see
in
the
the
title.
zipper of my backpack. That title and Ryan Van Pembroke's title to his car were together in that backpack. 100%. 100%.
Okay, and you deny ever signing any titles?
I never signed. Why would I sell my truck? Like I told them, I just bought it. I never was selling it. I never sold it to anybody. I never allegedly did anything of the sort. I was in jail,
Okay.
and
So,
Terry was gonna come
Do you
get
have a-
the
do you have a
key
working-
from me
do
at
you
the
have a
jail.
working phone number?
I will as soon as she gives me my property.
What is that phone number?
Mine is.
back in May, you went to Northland Chevrolet downtown Superior
Yeah,
here
when I
to
was.
get another to get a
To
key,
get another key,
and
and
they
they
took a
kept-
copy of your
Stop
title,
talking.
Yep, my
and
title.
your
I'm
driver's
talking to you,
license.
Title, driver's license,
and that was
And-
back in May.
and registration.
Back in May.
Yep.
So they would have a copy of her old title. And then he would have had to do the same thing. He would have had to present them with a title and a copy
He
of
would
his
have had to do
ID
the
and
same thing
stuff
for
to
a
get
key.
to get his new key made. The one
Unless
that's
he knows somebody that works there. Because
So
they
that's
still, they
possible
kept
that
that
he's still-
up.
It's possible
They kept all
that
that
Northland
information
has
of me.
a copy of the title that's under her name, and then they're gonna have a copy of the title that he presented to them. My guess is yeah. So it might be worth stopping at Northland Chev to see if they can.
Because they
Am I
kept,
still good on holding him?
yeah, they held all my information. They kept it on file.
Because 55 is there with him right now.
Okay.
They're open to
Yeah, we're
4:30.
starting to reach the.
Limit.
Yeah, we have the truck. We have his information.
Yeah.
We'll still conduct his investigation.
I'm
So
glad you guys have the truck better.
okay. So what's gonna be in our possession when
And that was a hard smell in that truck.
The vehicle's going to be in evidence, and it's not going to be released until we can actually confirm who the real owner is, and if there's PC probable cause to arrest somebody in this incident, then they'll be arrested, okay? All right. Thank you, Jenny.
All right.
And I left I told him I also left copies of Ashley, his girlfriend, sent me messages on Messenger through saying all this shit that if I pursued it and all this stuff, they were gonna do things.
Where are those messages?
I left them here yesterday with the secretary for finger. I left them here. I
Okay.
copied them, printed them out at work.
Ashley,
So sick, it's on her messenger.
okay, is that your stuff right there?
Yeah, and I'm getting my stuff from her.
All right.
I'm trying to do it.
Those are okay.
Don't touch me.
Let's
out.
go.
Get out!
Damn you!
Yeah, I think that's what you got there.
Oh! You knocked it off! Son of a bitch! Get free! All I want!
Sit down.
I will sit down! When you get this off me!
Graham versus Connor. 1989. Force gets judged from the officer's viewpoint at that exact moment, not in hindsight. The older man had a knife, grabbed a metal toe strap after being told to back off. That clears Graham. That said, the second cuffing came after less than 2 seconds of warning. A little more time there was the cleaner call. Lawson ran this right, documented Freeman's contradictions in order, flagged 3 corroboration leads, kept his composure. One thing works against him, telling Freeman he was, quote, straight up lying to me, end quote, factually. Probably true. Legally, defense will frame that as pressure. Freeman's account fell apart 4 ways in under 6 minutes. Locked versus unlocked, the registration timeline, how he, quote, found the truck at a subway, and then admitting he signed the signature. Every single one of those is on camera. Little cooperated start to finish, and had paperwork before any of this started. Her one problem, the deputy searched her backpack and the title wasn't there. That's the gap her side needs to explain. Bob walked into an active scene with a knife, grabbed a heavy metal object when told to stand down, and kept pushing. Didn't help little, just handed officers a clean justification for everything that followed. If you're doing a private vehicle sale, document everything. A text confirming the deal, a photo of the signed title with a timestamp, a witness. A verbal agreement is just a story. And in a dispute, whoever has the receipts wins. For law enforcement, 3 solid leads were on the table before this footage ended. Filing charges before you've verified even one of them means you're building a case on what someone said, not on what the evidence actually shows. For anyone thinking about stepping into an active scene, grabbing a weapon-capable object while carrying a knife and ignoring commands is not standing up for somebody. It's giving officers every legal reason to treat you as the threat. If you know a case that deserves this kind of breakdown, title fraud, property dispute, anything with real legal weight, drop it in the comments. A signature isn't just paperwork. Under property law, it is the transfer itself. That's it. Thanks for watching.